How to install XAMPP Server 8.2.12 on Windows 10 or 11. Hey there, fellow developers and coding enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of web development with a tutorial on how to install XAMPP Server 8.2.12 on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, XAMPP is an essential tool for creating and testing websites locally. So, let's jump right in and get started. The first step is to download the latest version of XAMPP from the official Apache Friends website. Open your web browser. Type to search XAMPP download. Click on this first website. Once you're on the website, locate the XAMPP for Windows section and click on the download button to download the installer. Here you can see the download has started. And this will depend on your network speed, so you have to be patient. After the download is complete, locate the XAMPP installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click on it to run the installer. Windows may prompt you to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Click Yes or Allow to proceed with the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. You can choose the components you want to install, but for most web development projects, the default settings should suffice. Once the installation is complete, you'll be asked if you want to start the XAMPP control panel. Check the box and click Finish to launch the control panel. In the XAMPP control panel, you'll see various modules such as Apache, MySQL, PHP, and more. To start the Apache and MySQL servers, simply click on the Start button next to each module. And that's it. You've successfully installed XAMPP Server 8.2.12 on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. You can now use XAMPP to develop and test websites locally. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more web development tutorials and tips. See you next time.